everyone, welcome to The Explorer. I'm Miss Jane.
I'm Huan Pang.
Today we will look at grammar, simple past tense in passive form.
Please take out your grammar book too. Let's take a look at what I've taught you last week. Last week I talked about passive form, the simple present tense. Passive form simple present tense use the verb to be is, am and are with a past participle. Okay, so you will say it is eaten, I am scolded, or they are taken. Alright, okay, so the meaning of is, am, are means 被. So it is eaten 就是它被吃 right 那个有可能是老鼠啊 or rabbit is eaten 被老虎吃 okay so I am scolded 我被骂 right or they are taken 他们被带去别位 right they are taken to the hospital or whatever right so when you use is am are always remember the past participle with the past participle it means a passive form and if you take a look at 3 examples here in white's present 就是邀请 so 每天时常如果每天或者时常被邀请 then you need to use is am are invited okay and then number 2 shoots serve 每天时常如果每天被 then it is am are short past participle of shoot is short and then number 3 writes present 每天写如果每天被写还是一个事实被写 then you need is am are with a verb written okay the verb is a past participle verb right now what I want you to do is you write the title passive form simple present tense write this one the table you don't have to copy you just copy number 1 AB, number 2 AB, and number 3 AB. That's all. Right, once you are finished, I want you to write 5 sentences into your exercise book. Okay, using the simple present tense, active or passive form. Okay, take a look at this sentence. 是不是被 right 如果它不是被你就不可以写 is am are 在前面了 right okay so take a look at the verb it's write so writes is am are written so check and see so you have to use the correct verb right so what is the meaning or how to write 作文 essays can you write on your own now writes passive form is am are written so check and see subject verb 2 essays 2 English essays 其实 every week so write on your own number 1 number 2 subject the villages okay and we are going to use the present tense showing a fact we use are no past tense here okay 是一个事实那些村民很开心 all the villages 很开心 so are you can think of a verb okay or the word for 开心 over the moon on cloud 9 okay are very happy of course you can write so why because who the man eating tiger okay that's called 吃人的老虎就是 man eating tiger 被 shoots is am are short okay think and you write and you of course you need the word they okay so shoot shoots dead, or is MR shot dead, D-E-A-D. Right, so write on your own. The first part of the sentence is present tense showing a fact, and the second part is also present tense showing a fact. 它是被射死了。Sentence number 3. Check. Subject. Verb. Invite, invites. Is MR invited? 有没有被？是不是被？如果不是的话，就不可以用被哈。OK， 所以这个是被吗？还是不是啊？谁 friends or her friend one only. To where? To 他的家 for what? For dinner. So you don't need to write the word eat. You just say for dinner. 几时？每个星期日。Okay, so no need to write the word eat, but just write the word for. For dinner. Present tense showing habitual action every Sunday. Number 4. Also habitual action because every year. Subject. So you can write your every year at the back. Subject. Verb. So 这个 verb 是被邀请，被 invite, invites, or is MR invited? By who? By my friend. To where? To 他的 birthday party. Okay, so write on your own, check the verb. 看动词哈，它是不是被？如果是被就要写被，不是被的话就没有 is MR 在前面的。Okay, and last sentence, check and see. This is actually 被，它是被你的姐姐写了。So your subject is this letter. 这个信是被你的姐姐写的。So present tense showing a fact. 一个事实是被我姐姐写，不是别人写。Okay, so try and write out these sentences into your exercise book. So remember, these sentences are present habitual action or a fact, either active or passive form. We move on. Now you have to copy this into your exercise book. So leave a line. 刚才那个下面就开始抄这些了。Leave a line. Write passive form. Bracket simple past tense. 所以说刚才是 simple present tense. Now simple past tense. 什么分别 ？See the difference. The difference is the verb to be, was, and were. Present you use is, MR. Past tense you use was or were. Okay, so past tense of is was. Past tense of are, were. So was eaten. The same. Okay, you will say it was eaten. I was eaten. You were taken. You were scolded. Okay, and you see the difference now. So the was were means pay again. I see the difference. Deliver. 这个是 past tense. Deliver 送。昨天送 was were delivered 昨天被送 Okay, so 这个是昨天 How do you know? Because we use was were. So 如果你放前面是放 is MR 就是时常 Right? 每天或者一个事实如果前面是 was 跟 were with a past participle 那个就是昨天或者2天前都已经发生的 Okay, another example burnt烧 past tense 2天前烧 was were burnt 2天前被烧被 ate 吃昨晚吃 was were eaten 昨晚被吃 was were taken. Took. Okay? 拿。昨天，昨晚 was were taken. 昨天，昨晚被，昨天被拿。The last one. 穿。刚才穿。昨天穿，昨晚穿。Was were worn 就是被，刚才被穿，还是昨晚被穿。Okay, so what I want you to do is you have to write this into your exercise book. 要写下全部，要分出来。上个星期的是 is am are 在前面，这个星期的是 was were 在前面 then only your past participle. Next exercise. Now, before you copy the sentences into your exercise book, I want you to read the sentences first. Look at number 1. Can you see the words a couple of days ago? 就是2天前. And then number 2, can you see the word yesterday? 昨天. Number 3, 2 days ago. Number 4, early this morning. Number 5, just now. And number 6, last night. Alright, so these words that I've read just now tells you that these sentences use the simple past tense. 这已经发生了，对吗？所以每一个句子都是 past tense, and these sentences are in the passive form. 它是被 past tense 的被动句子。Okay, so for example, take a look at number 1. The public bank 被打抢。Okay, 过了啊，2天前被。The parcel 包裹 from China 被送去我的家。My neighbor's son 被在这个车祸 dibunuh bahasa Malaysia 就是被车祸弄他死去了。Alright, okay, so that's for sentence number 3. So of course in Chinese it sounds very weird. 华语就觉得很奇怪，好像被杀死的意思。但是它的意思呢是讲 dibunuh dalam kemalangan di bahasa Malaysia 就是在车祸被那个车祸弄死去了。Alright, number 4, 被烧。Okay, the houses in Kampung Indah 被烧，然后 the students 被叫去站在外面被叫。Right, and the last one, the flood victims, 那是受害者，淹水的受害者。Okay, 被搬被撤离 that's evacuated. Right, 去哪里 to the community hall. See, so these sentences here, okay, that you have here, you need to fill in the blanks with was or were. Okay, so you check on your own. If you do not know 谁用 was 谁用 were 看前面的已经抄好了的。Right, singular subject use was, plural subject use were. Okay, check and then you write the answer. Change the following sentences into the past tense passive form. Okay, write this sentence into your exercise book and you are going to do 6 sentences together with me. Alright, so the first one, check. The manager asked me to attend the meeting this morning. So this morning means 今天早上过了是吗？ So that's why you see the verb asked, so past tense verb. Okay, so now you change it to the passive form, past tense passive form. Manager 叫我。So when you write 我被叫，对啊，我被那个 manager 叫了。Right? So the manager asked me. So you change me. Take the me, put it in front I. Then 被 was or were. 没有，不可以再用 is am are. Alright? So was or were? Was asked. Okay? If you want to write by who? By the manager. 不写也可以啊。So 我没有写。So I was asked to attend the meeting this morning. Right? So those of you who want to write the word by, 不要写后面，写在动词过后。I was asked by the manager to attend the meeting this morning. Okay, so this is the answer for number 1. You can pause. Write your answer first, listen to me, then only you do question number 2. Question number 2. The villagers saw the beggar in front of the shop last night. Okay, villagers 村民看到那个 beggar 乞丐 in front of the shop last night. So saw is the verb. This is the object. Now you change it to the front. The beggar. 被看到，被那些村民看到。So the beggar was or were. Past participle for saw. See, saw, seen. So the beggar was seen. So always remember to change. 动词一定要换去 past participle. So the beggar was saw, if you want to write by the villagers, in front of the shop last night. See, so the beggar 被看到 was seen in front of the shop last night. Number 3. The waiter served all the food promptly. Promptly 就是准时的起点。Promptly at 7 p.m. 那个 waiter serve 招待 all the food 就是招待全部，就是拿全部食物出来 serve. Okay, change it now. The waiter serve all the food. So serve what? All the food. So all the food. Now you put it in front. So all the food. Verb. Passive form was or were. Was served. Past tense 也一样 ed. Past participle 也一样 was served. Promptly at what time? Promptly at 7 p.m. Now if you want to use the word by, by, then you have to say all the food was served by the waiter promptly at 7 p.m. Okay, now you find that I don't use or I didn't use the doer, 就是那个做的人没有，像 by the manager number 1 或者 by the villagers number 3 by the waiter 我不写也可以。Alright, the meaning is the same. I mean the meaning is there. 所以我们可以知道它的意思的。所以 all the food was served promptly at 7 p.m. It means the food makanan dihidangkan 就是被 okay 被拿出来几点被招待 okay the all the food was served dihidangkan tepat pada pukul 7. Right, so you say in Chinese it sounds very weird. 华语就有点奇怪，但是它的意思呢就是对的。bahasa Malaysia 一定对，看听啊，讲 makanan itu dihidangkan tepat pada pukul 7 petang. Okay, so copy the sentences into your exercise book. 3 more. Okay, I will do one more with you. Number 4. The teacher caught the student while he was trying to climb over the school fence. See, so the teacher caught the student. 老师抓到学生，当他那时候正在爬过学校篱笆，就抓到他了。Okay, so the teacher subject verb caught. Caught who? The student. So now, 看动词的前面那个字，你现在代替前面，什么东西被抓 ？The student. Then 被 past tense， 因为 was 这边用 was 是 past tense， was or were was and then caught 被抓，这个意思就是被抓。学生被抓 was caught by who? By the teacher. If you want to write， 不写的话不用紧，可以对的。While he was trying to climb over the school fence. Okay, so you see, this is your answer for number 4. The student was caught. Don't write the teacher was caught, but it's the student was caught while he was trying to climb over the school fence. Okay, can you try number 5 now on your own? The nurse gave me an injection this morning. Nurse 给我打一支针，几时 this morning. Okay, so you check gave and me. Me is the object. Now you bring it in front. Me 就变 I 哦。Okay, I 我被给 saya diberi. So I subject verb was or were. 自己写 was or were. Okay, then what is the past participle for gave? Give, gives, gave, past participle given， 一定要记得哈，要全部要用 past participle given。Okay, given what？ 我被给了 an injection， 就是今天早上，不要写 by。 Okay, not wrong. If you want to write, you have to write after the verb， 动词过后就写 by the nurse。Okay, last one, number 6. The referee cancelled the football match due to the heavy rain. See, the referee cancelled the football match due to the heavy rain. Referee 评判了，cancel 取消那个 football match football 比赛，因为下大雨。Check verb cancel object the football match。 So 什么东西被取消呢？这个 football match 哦，被哦，被就是 was or were 才加 cancel past participle。 Why? Due to the heavy rain. Okay, you don't want to write the word by 就不要理它，没有 by 了。Okay, try and do 5 and 6 on your own. Alright, now can you please check the answers that you have written earlier, number 1 to number 5. Check and see, and read the sentences. Last exercise, you have to print out the paper. Okay, now after printing out the paper, please write answers on your own. The first part of the exercise is fill in the blanks with was or were only, and then after that you need to change all the 6 sentences from the active form to the passive form. And don't forget, it is past tense passive form， 就是讲要用 was 跟 were， 然后它 past participle， 不可以用 is am are。 Okay? For this week, you need to send this page of your homework to me. Now, before you send the homework to me, I need to remind you, we are talking about passive form past tense. So make sure you use the simple past tense. Your verb to be is, am, are, you need to change to was or were. Okay, with a past participle. Okay, so read the questions properly, write the answer, then take a photo and send it to me.
That's all for today's lesson. Thank you. Subscribe to Explorer for more lessons. Have a nice day.